kutukira ona ndugu yangu
abagusiba minto mbuya more bono ntete mbaerere ninki most of the elected leaders currently korwa gusi batari guchikuba re-elected gusikwira na asuburai in 2027 momaete ninki tari magenderero abange ngonya gotema bari abantu buno usuru Japhet Nyakundi ngotema bari in fact toisa go compare with the previous leaders ababaro una usuru the likes of Nyakundi no ndo nyango tema bari. But do you know why mbari guchikoirana asemeremo? Before we go far, ndage to click ga say subscribe button na turn on the notification bell so that obe notified every time we post a new video like this. And that's a video nye like. Thank you. Nde to comment ga mura ikiorocho urairane asibali baro, especially bali bago pingo almost ke Fred Okengo Matiang'i noro nyoroche urairane nga oyo gopingare Fred Matiang'i ko na baba gusibara mochore in 2027. Comment in the comment section. Maybe kunae na sijui tigamba tebika chinsemo chagusi mineti ensemo ya Kisii County na Nyamira County political ama siasa cha chenchiri motindo. It is not all about development alone, but usaliti pia wa Kisii wanaangalia pia usaliti. Nani huyo anasaliti kama jamii? Because ekero kwenda si ground. I know some people hawajaenda kwa ground, wajue the ground vile iko, ama pengine kama hujaenda kwa ground utaki kusikia vile watu kwa ground wanasema. Chinkumango nyora korwa si ground, ground 90% ekere ase almost Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Yesterday, Fred Okengo Matiang'i narwete a warning to the united opposition that he is not going to accept obokora eti bachole omuntu gete batatumieti scientific means, batatumieti yani kwa njia ya uwazi. He is not going to accept that. Again, tenga kikegote Matiang'i is doing everything to make sure that he is on the ballot in 2027. Ngorwanererare ono ground ngotiringanire echinsemo chagusi. I'm talking specifically asaba gusiboka chinsemo chagusi. Nyumantaragendera we have some leaders balitoroche nga 2027 bachikoira na kongu wana toko chaka na you are darling because they will shock. It is going to shock you. Otoko chaka na you are darling Governor Paul Simba Arati, my friend, if this guy is not is not going to change tune anytime soon, then is doomed to fail. Na political career yake itazazama tu na no muntu tochole potential. In fact na boba abwatrana na matia bacha kaya ndile politics nero sometimes ingo chankanyire. I think Simba Arati akwa the crossroad buno mwana siasa onde bwensi na baroche ngai ground ikiriga na baroche is going to commit political that ngwana little because na uja that shida, but anaona wacha tu ashikilie mimi ni second party leader ama deputy party leader wa ODM, acha tu nishikie hapa, but na baroche ground ya sekere 2027. If Simba Paul Arati is not going to change tune, is going to fail na ataenda home, na sijui kama political career yake kama itaendelea beyond that, but anyway inaweza endelea ama irudi, but without Fred Okengo Matiang'i Gusii is doomed to fail in 2027. That is Paul Simba Arati darling yomo Gusii obonogeli womo Gusii oli wakere tuchikura chinyinga zaidi in fact more than 60% wa mwakere tuchikura ngati 2027 taliko chikoirana ni sababu, the main reason is sababu agupinga Fred Okengo Matiang'i na kororekano musaliti we jamii ya Gusii tu ndaite munyiwe umwana naro kurukunga Silvanus Osoro okorira magenderero kuru chisemo chicha South Mugrango njabwate Omingo Magara, James Omingo Magara njabwate Oyongo wana igachiga tuara Osoro tiango tenga previous leaders the likes of Omingo Magara, the likes of Oyongo Nyamweya mbara akora igasi compared ni gasi osora akorire osoro ngurire chipara bire pare ekuru gembo yenda mbaka tabaka yenda mbaka Nyamarambe pare yu igenyurire n'umuntu okorokunga osoro nero imagine para pare tarengereire para abantu batarengere gusine nguruga igera bite para ekuru Nyamarambe yenda mbaka Nyakembene yenda mbaka Nyabigena osoro onyengurire otakagerete guse chipara buri pare yu ekuru Nyamarambe yenda Nyakembene yenda gucinya Bigena pare yu ngokagerete guse ne koruga ngokagerete guse ne nguru courtesy of Osoro Silvanus. Lakini at 2027 I'm sorry anyway in 2027 Osoro is among those people who are projected to go home unless a miracle happen, unless wafanya ukarabati. Osoro is going home in 2027. Ninki eti agopinga Fred Okengo Matiang'i, na hivyo amekuwa projected as one of omugusi bali bagusaliti omugusi ose yes abasaliti bomugusi umwana naro ko kunga Japhet Nyakundi okoru Kitutu Chache North ase ozitangwe njimi yangwenye aliko gamba umwana uyu nere okorira magenderero compared to the previous leaders akina Jimmy Yangwenyi umwana uyu okorira magenderero. Lakini inga in 2027 taliko chikoirana it because agopinga Fred Okengo Matiang'i ngororekanire omusaliti bwejami yabagusi ntorakora omubunge Okisi County wese bakoro kuba Guman Rep wa Kisi County Moske Donya Doris Toto is among those who are projected bataliko chikoirana in 2027. Sababu ningi talinga na magandira tarakora. I don't know why they make that silly political decisions when it's very clear that the ground is pro Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Wano ingati omongina Donya Toto taliko chikoirana in 2027 simply because agopinga Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Why mbona waangali wa change tune? I don't know. Mbabuata maiso, mbabuata mato, mkotekera bali ground. Mbabuata advisors, some of them bawaka na heavily. I don't know why they are trying to commit that political side. I don't know. Mbona wanataka bata itogo itera kisiasa. Surely they know the ground. Some of them they have advisors. Some of them they have people from the ground. Mbona chisema cha Nyamira. I'm sorry to say that Governor Nyaribo is not going to make it in 2027. Reason anayumba ajulikani yako wapi, development ako down n'abantu bali Nyamira in fact yabagechiri no mheshimiwa ukorogunga Nyaribo Amos Nyaribo yeye hata sijui whether a support Fred Okengo Matiang'i ama hata msupport yeye, sidhani kama atarudi kabisa. Although nimesikia chinkuba chikunya gutoikiranga na hata gete konia echameli yabete ngati associated na Fred Okengo Matiang'i UPA ngati ngokwana bakale no musikie William Samoei Ruto. But anyway yeye sioni akitoboa omo Guman Rep wense meria Nyamira omusikie Jerusha Mumanyi Ntogoro is not going to make it simply because anatusi ama anaonekana kumsaliti mheshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i erenere na Fred Okengo Matiang'i nero monoge rasmi we community yabagusi taliko chikoirana taliko chiko make it. I don't know why they are making those silly political decisions abantu bami to bagusi yana abantu mbali as ground bako ba advice eti because somebody like I don't know Jerusha Mumanyi probably ngo iwunde ngara hata kitogo gabana obwata liko chuweti kabisa because omuntu uchikoe obo gabana kwa Nyamira is none other than anaitwaje the senator, is it Mungare Okongo yes ona rogo chikuira obo gabana kwa Nyamira in 2007 na amechukua saizi tu ile tu ni kwenda tu kuthibitisha yes I don't know, some people the likes of Engoko watarudi the likes of Obadia Barongo Machoge Geburabu anaweza rudi because they are singing Fred Okengo Matiang'i kama ndeleo si baya vile, but as long as wajasaliti umugusi watarudi The likes of Onyonka, almost Senator Okisi County, what are rude. In fact, it is anasema anaweza ungia umeto umuntu nawe kurunga uliolenga somo waziri w'ekise Ezekiel Machagu nabwate eganganira bwate okubuli bugabana, so they will discuss with Onyonga bana ngoko ndio senator ngoko ndio bugabana, but that lineup itaenda asubuhi na mapema. But today I wasn't talking about those who will win. I was talking about those who will not make it. Nimekuambia Simbarati pole, ni chama tu imekuuza. Nobody is going to be elected in ODM. You see, ODM has been a dominant party in Kisii County ama Gusii region. ODM, kila ODM, governor, ODM, senator, ODM, my MPs, ODM, MCs, ODM. It is going to be the first time ODM itasaulika kabisa. Watu wamejipanga. Jubilee, we know it's not our roots. Jubilee roots haiko chinsemo cha Gusii, but it's going to be the first time Gusii yako chukua painted red courtesy yo mheshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Ground nkikego tebera Fred Okengo Matiang'i, because as you know ndo watu mwana ito onde ukorunga David Maraga, but David Maraga ako chini bado. Ni mzuri ndio, alifanya kazi kwa uzuri ndio, ni mtu atasimamia ukweli ndio, ataongoza vizuri ndio, but kwa sahi ako ground, ako down kidogo. Omuntu obere germinated is none other than Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Nabwate chingugete tokoranga oyo toise komosibora tabara abose koenda anyore kirokeri the top seat iko ekera twarorire omuntu uchire buya nandi nabwate potential buna Fred Okengo Matiang'i egenta ataketegioka ne support yo Mugusii omugima. That is why Mugusii achita that is why Mugusii bonaramo chikwe chonsi chira soro boromo. In fact 10% n'abantu abantu batara make a decision, but 90% abari mahiga yo muhaka Fred Okengo Matiang'i abagusina intwe ntotagete the top seed, ntotagete gusikwa, ntotagete bisa kubinde na ntotore potential enko kwana baranga tuwa chikora chinke kolende na totameki ko tware na totameki to the top seed, tutakuwa na very strong bargaining power in 2027, which we ever is going to make it. But yes, abono ndo watu mwana ito ogo germinate tiga tomwa magoro tito muita tiga tomwa magoro tiga komochoria tiga komorama tomwa magoro. In fact, some of these guys again tokera abarusi no komochoria na gochiba tiga bono ba sita the first batali komochoria nabo bara baise komeke, but again tekebe no riba komochori bo pi tiga komochori mo amagoro ose mutige intwe tomoire moja kwa moja torego si ngokora tori safari mutige idu mnataka mtu mwingine ng'ombe nemo kama ino ng'ombe hiyo batitiga Fred Okengo Matiang'i torera stoko mubeka igo Mugusii omugima na abatebire. In the next video I'm going to tell you according to ground buna statistics na akolire research na akolire ground ngakiego teba ngora abaise ko kore kuende ko make it in 2027. That is my next video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. My name is AC Bon Newe Gusii TV.